Welcome to PicLearn. চলো একসাথে আনন্দের সাথে ইংরেজি শিখি। Let's start today's lesson. Day. Din.
Pass it here.
The sun shines brightly during the day. Night. Raat. We can see the glowing moon at night. Morning. Shakal. Wake up early with a smile in the morning. Afternoon. Bikel. Children
Yes, we
love
won.
to play football in the afternoon.
Yes, we won!
Evening. Shondha. The birds return to their nests in the evening. Saturday. Shonibar.
Try one of these.
They're perfect.
To many more
Saturday
weekends like
is
this.
a wonderful
Cheers.
holiday for us. Sunday. Rubibar.
Now, who can tell me the solution to the
We
equation
start
on
our
the board?
new lessons on
Yes.
Sunday.
The answer is 12, sir.
Monday. Shombar.
Let's try and skip all the way to the gate.
Go to school happily
Okay,
on
but
Monday morning.
Don't let go of my hand.
Tuesday. Mongolbar. Tuesday is a great day to read new books. Wednesday. Budbar. We do beautiful drawings on Wednesday. Thursday. Bihashpotibar.
A productive day indeed. Here are your
Thursday
rewards.
brings the
Green for
happy
you
weekend
and a
near.
sparkly blue one for you. Great job, everyone.
Friday. Shukrobar.
It is a beautiful afternoon.
Friday
the
is a
sherbet is
peaceful
very
day for
refreshing,
family
Baba.
time. January. January. January is the very first month of the year. February. February. We love our beautiful mother language in February. March. March. March is our glorious Independence Month. April. April. We celebrate Pohela Boishakh in the month of April. May. May. Beautiful flowers bloom everywhere in May. June. June. June brings delicious, juicy summer fruits. July. July. Cool raindrops fall softly from the sky in July. August. August. August is a month of respect and remembrance. September. September. Autumn clouds look so beautiful in September. October. October. October brings a pleasant cool breeze. November. November.
Look at this bounty, my friend. We've never had
Farmers
a season this
harvest
good.
golden
Mashallah.
paddy crops
it truly
in November.
is a golden harvest this year.
December. December. December is our happy victory month. Wow, we learned so many new words today. If you want to learn more fun things with us, please subscribe to PicLearn BD. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.